Well, sorry, buddy, I don't have food. Oh, look at them. Wow. It's like regular sheep. You know, like, and he got the goods over here. Sorry, I don't know if I have a lot of feed yet. I don't want to get in trouble. Oh, look at the big one right there. Well, that's a big goat right there. It's like hot right now, so they're just underneath of there. Oh, here comes the other one. Hey, buddy. Oh, that one looks beautiful. Wow. Hi. Hi. Yeah, what's up? How you doing? You're like, I can't hear you. It's too hot, so they're like relaxing right now. Hey, that's beautiful. Good right there. Wow, baby. Oh, he feeds him. Oh, he feeds him. Excuse me, sir. You can feed him anytime, huh? Oh. I didn't even know that. Yeah, I didn't even know that. Oh, yeah, they came up to me and like, Dad. I said, I don't know if I'm allowed to give them food. I didn't want to get in trouble, you know.
Well, you don't give something that kills them.
Oh, they don't eat orange, do they?
No.
No, okay, I knew it.
They said don't eat, they told me don't eat. But actually they love, I told them, unbelievable, they love banana peels.
Banana, oh, okay.
It's like family.
Yeah, they came up to me like, Dad, I'm like, I only got orange, but I didn't want to get in trouble, you know, so I didn't give them nothing. Yeah, let me try that. All right. Oh, these ones? Oh.
I'll put them on corn and come. I don't know if you spit it out. The big one, Billy got license.
Oh, look at that. Wow. Hey, that's nice, man. The last time I seen goat was in Africa. Yeah, let me get. Can they feed it? Yeah.
They're more picky.
Oh, okay, cool. Oh, look at that.
If they get too old, the banana peels, they'll pick their nose up in the earth.
Oh, whoa, that one pregnant. Oh, gosh.
They won't eat anything.
Oh, wow.
They know better.
Yeah, okay, I thought it was going to hurt you or something. Oh, look at that. Hey. Wow.
I used to walk by all the time, and I said, well, you know, why don't I feed them?
Yeah, I didn't walk here in the